Ron Atchison for Autoforge.net, and today I got something a little different for you guys. I know been absent for a little while since I put out any videos, but we got some new products here to try out, and so we'll be reviewing those. I have absolutely no idea what's in either of these boxes. Simply got a text saying, hey, I sent you some boxes. So thought it'd be kind of fun if I open them up and show you guys what I got at the same time I see, what Nick sent me. So some of the products may be stuff that you've used that I've not used, or maybe it's something that you've been interested in. You'd like to see a review on it. So if there's any products in here that you see that you've used that you really like, put a comment down below, or if you'd like to see a review on it, comment on that. So let's take a look and see what's inside box number one, which is the bigger of the two. It's kind of heavy, not super heavy, so let's get in there and see what it is. All right, box number one. So we'll open it up. First thing I want to show you guys, though, is just how well the guys in the warehouse pack your orders. As you can see, there's no extra room anywhere in there. Last thing we want you guys to do is order something and it arrive damaged. So take a little extra time and try and do the best that we can to prevent that from happening. There's a lot of packing in here. So let's see what this is. All right. So the first item is the new McKee's 37 graphene trim coating. Trying that out on my Honda. It's got a lot of plastic trim. It's starting to look a little weathered, so be putting that on there to protect it. Got a bottle of the McKee's 37 graphene wheel coating. McKee's 37 wax remover for plastic. I don't know if you guys have ever experienced getting a little bit of wax on your plastic trim, especially if it's got any kind of texture to it, or if you're polishing a car and your pad happens to hit it, it can be a nightmare to get it off. But this stuff will take it right off and clean it up with no problem at all. So this is a newer product. I had a chance to use this a couple of months ago. Excellent product. It's N9 is 725 clay towel lubricant. What this does, it also removes, well, let me just read the description to you. It says clay towel lubricant is a 2-in-1 iron remover and lubricant designed to be used in conjunction with a clay towel, clay mitt, or clay bar. The stuff is super slick. So when you're claying, it adds a lot of lubrication. You're not going to scratch or mar up the paint, and at the same time you're removing any kind of ferrous metal that happens to be on the car. So you're doing two things with one product. Great time saver. And the other thing is, it doesn't have a terrible smell to it, so you're not going to empty out the room when you're using this. And to go along with it is the Autoforge clay towel. I don't know if you guys have used one of these or not, but this is a finer grade of a clay towel. It doesn't mar the surface, especially when you use a product that's designed for claying, such as the N725 or you can also use N914 as your clay lubricant. Towel is made with perforations in it so that it continually flows out lubricant as you're claying. Makes everything a lot safer. This has been a fan favorite for many, many years, but this is the upgraded version. This is V2 of rinseless wash in N914. It does all the same things that the original N914 did, except it's got more of everything. It's about the easiest way to explain it. Here's a new product I've not had a chance to use. It is Sea Quartz Leather 2.0. And what this product does, it's protection for leather seats. It helps to prevent stain and dye transfer, especially if you've got lighter color leather and somebody gets in there with a new pair of blue jeans. It can wreak havoc on your leather and be very difficult to get off. So this adds a little bit of protection to prevent that from happening. Got a bottle of the McKee's 37 Graphene Max Coating. This is super, super glossy, super slick ceramic coating. Got a bottle of McKee's 37 Graphene Headlight Coating. You can use a ceramic coating that's designed to be used on paint on your headlights. A lot of people do that. The difference with the graphene coating that's designed for headlights is the chemistry of the carrier solvents and that type of thing have been changed and altered so that they work with the polycarbonate lenses that are on the newer headlights versus a coating that's designed to go onto paint. And then we've got a new product that we just started carrying. And that is Buff and Shine polishing pads. We've got all the different colors for all the different aggressiveness, from your microfiber pads all the way to a polishing pad. We've got the new edge guard pads. So that's a brand new line for us. I know there's a lot of Buff and Shine fans out there that, you know, that they like Buff and Shine pads, and they're a great pad. So if you're looking for Buff and Shine pads, you can now get them at Autoforge.net. We've got all the sizes, 5-inch, 6-inch, 3-inch. We've got them all. And then we have, I'll show it to you from the side. This is something new. You'll be seeing more of this. About all I'm going to say about that for now. So that's all I got in box number 1. Quite a selection of stuff that Nick sent me. So let's move on to box number 2. It's always fun when Nick sends me a box. I mean, you guys all know I can go in the warehouse and I can pick a bottle of this, bottle of that, and take it home and everything. And that's fine and dandy and everything, but it's really not as fun as getting basically a mystery box. where I have no idea what's in it. You know, it's just like when you guys get your order, you know, you can't wait to get in that box to get to the stuff and start using it. Well, same thing for me. So in here we have a bucket. Let's see what's in the bucket. Got a nice Gamma Seal lid. So if you mix up a solution of rinseless wash and you didn't use it all, you can put your Gamma Seal lid back on it. It stays clean, doesn't get contamination in it, you know, things blowing around the garage landing in it. Or the other great thing about a Gamma Seal lid, you can mix up a thing of rinseless wash, put your Gamma Seal lid on it, put it in the trunk of your car, go to the car show, get your car all cleaned up safely because you're using a rinseless wash. Car looks pristine. All the dust that you might get on it from, you know, driving across the field to your parking spot, clean it all up. You don't have to worry about anything spilling in the trunk of your car. So it's a great bucket to have, very handy. We got all kinds of bottles in here. So we got a bunch of sprayers. We'll get all the sprayers out of here. Let's see what's in here. It's a new one for me. This is CarPro Bug Out. It's a bug remover. Let's see what it says about it. Shake well, spray on insects, allow 15 to 30 seconds to start dissolving, agitate with the microfiber as needed to remove all the residue, and rinse off. So, be giving that a try. Bugs and tar are the two things that I absolutely hate having on my car or cleaning. It's another new one from CarPro. This is Clarify. It's CarPro's window cleaner. And this is CarPro Release. See what it says about it. It's a short-term protection for ceramic coatings, post-coating, pre-delivery. Protects against bugs and moisture, quick and easy to apply. Can be used as a standalone quick detailer. So basically what Release looks to be is something that you can apply to a ceramic coating to help protect it during the time period before it's fully cured. So we'll have to investigate this a little bit more and give this a try. Like I said, if you've used any of these products, put a comment below. Let me know about it, how you liked it, how it worked out for you, what you used it on. Because a lot of these products I have not used. If you saw our warehouse, I could use a new product every single day, and it would take me probably 3 years to use them all. I mean, we've got hundreds of products at Autoforge.net, so it's virtually impossible for me to have used everything. And this is a new one out from DIY Detail. It is C6 Ceramics Mist. It's a quick detailer rinse aid. This is brand new. It's probably been out maybe a month. And another one from one of my favorite companies, that's Jescar. And this is React Shine Wheel Cleaner. It's pH neutral formula, safe for all wheels, removes brake dust, rust, stains, dissolve dirt and grime quickly, leaves wheels sparkling clean. So we'll be giving this Just Car React Shine a try. I've got a set of wheels sitting out there that are absolutely filthy, so be a good test for that. So as you can see, that was quite a selection of products that Nick sent me. So like I said before, if you'd like to see any of these reviewed, or you have any kind of questions, comments that you can make on any of these products, please put them below. So be on the lookout for product reviews on all of this stuff. So this is Ron Atchison for Autoforge.net. Oh, hey, by the way, before I forget, if you would, please like and subscribe to this video. I really appreciate it. Anyway, Ron Atchison for Autoforge.net. Thanks for watching.